Hey everyone, Dr. D here, and in this video I have a funny one for you. I was administering an exam to my students, and after the exam I noticed there was a crumb of Flamin Hot Cheeto on the ground, and this cockroach, which you can see here, was partaking in the Cheeto festivities, and looked like the hot spices was not deterring the roach. Oh, I think Tig may make an appearance soon. He's in the other room. But so I had to take video. I want to share those videos with you. So at first I was zooming in, taking a look at them, and I was pretty surprised how well my iPhone... Hey, Tig. Come on. Hey, do you want to come say hi? Look at this cockroach while I grab little Tig to make his cameo appearance. Come here, Tig. Oh, never mind. He does not want up. But anyway, check this out. So this cockroach is just sitting there munching away. Could care less that I am filming him from so close. And I was really surprised at what I captured here. You could see the little hairs on its legs. You could see its mandible there chomping away. You can even see its neck muscles. Let me show you a better video. I took a closer video here. So you can see, I zoom in a little bit more. You can see its neck muscles straining as it's just chomping away as this Cheeto is just amazing. This is what biology is all about, just appreciating even the mundane. A random roach eating a Flamin' Hot Cheeto in class after, students finish an exam, It's just fascinating. Look, he's just minding his own business. Yes, Tig. Yes, sir. He's playing with shadows over there in the hallway. But here's another one. Check this out. This was my close up. Yeah, just look at him. He is in bliss, this little guy. He's just sitting there chomping away. Hey, you want to come say hi now? Is now an appropriate time? All right. Come on. Say hi, Tig, to your adoring fans. Here you go. Here you go. All right, Tig. All right, so that's what I had for you for today. Just a fun video. And Tig also wanted to say hi. He's sitting on the mouse now. Tig wanted to say hi. And yeah, I hope everyone's having a nice summer. Hopefully from this video, you can hear him purring with the new mic setup I have. I think you could hear him purring. Do you hear that? That little rumble? That's Tig purring, saying hi to his adoring fans. But anyway, yeah, just take some time out this summer and appreciate the little things in life, like a random roach eating. Oh, Tig's trying to attack the roach now. This is a thing. Eating away at a Cheeto. Hopefully you find some videos like this. If you do, maybe send them to my way, or send me an email. Hey Tig. And Tig and I will check out your video. All right. Hopefully everyone has a nice summer. See you in the fall time. And that's all I have for you. Bye. Now, Tig.